Hi, I'm Johnny from OnlineLabels.com, and today I'm going to show you the difference between paper and film-based labels. When you're looking for the perfect label for your project, it's critical to know the difference between paper and film labels. It's no surprise that paper-based labels are made of mostly paper. The color, the thickness, the coating, that can all vary, but the core makeup of the material is usually more or less the same. There are a few reasons why you may want to choose a paper-based material. First, they're usually a lot easier to find in a variety of colors. For instance, at OnlineLabels.com we have pastels, fluorescents, crafts, foils, and a lot more. Paper-based labels can also be used to achieve a handcrafted, distressed, or even a vintage look. The biggest drawback to paper-based labels is they don't hold up as well to environmental conditions as film-based labels. For instance, they can get damaged if exposed to moisture, sunlight, and they can tear easily if they're frequently handled. Based on these qualities, paper-based labels are usually great for indoor use items like shipping labels, barcode labels, non-perishable goods like canned foods and spices, candles, disposable packaging, home organization, and so much more. Now, film-based labels are usually made from a synthetic material like a poly or vinyl, and this gives them some useful properties. Typically, film-based labels are a lot more durable than paper labels and can withstand environmental conditions and handling a lot better than paper. Their durability also makes them more flexible than paper materials, meaning you can use them to label curved surfaces and oddly shaped containers, and they'll be more tear resistant than paper. Because of their durability, film-based labels are usually better for refrigerated use, moisture-rich environments, and anything that's going to be used or handled for a long time. Some of these uses include warehouse labeling, refrigerated foods and beverages, bath and body products like liquid soap and lotion, and cleaning products. You can visit OnlineLabels.com to learn more about all of our label options. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for more labeling tips for your small business.